Hello. Have you ever wanted to get to inbox 0 but found the whole thing too overwhelming? In this video we explore how you get to inbox 0, but more importantly how you stay there. Hi, I'm Sam. I explore systems that can help us achieve more than we ever realised was possible. I've lived with inbox 0 for more than 10 years and I can't imagine going back on it. Before we delve into this, it's probably worth explaining what inbox 0 even means. Essentially, I get to the point of having no emails in my inbox at the end of every day, i.e. 0. So my inbox looks like this at the end of each day. The important thing about this video is it's not just going to explore how you get to inbox 0, but how you stay there. As I show you, getting there is actually incredibly easy. In this video, I show you exactly how you can do it. And we're going to use the ABCDDDDE system. So A stands for archive. As I said, getting to inbox 0 is incredibly easy. All you need to do is create a new folder in your inbox system, call it archive, and move every single email in your inbox into archive. And there you go, voila. Instant inbox 0. If you're then worried that there might be some important emails in there that you need to look at some point, you can always schedule some time in your calendar to go through that and just pull out any really important ones. But the rest can stay there. Step 2 is B for batch. So you've got inbox 0. It might only last a few minutes before it starts filling up again. So you should start processing them immediately, right, to keep on top of them? No. What you'll find is if you do that, someone will respond back and you can just spend your entire time responding to emails. What you want to do is create some time in your calendar where you batch process your emails all in one go. You'll then be in the headspace to clear a load of emails all in one go without being distracted by work and without the emails distracting the important things you're doing. By batching your emails, you avoid them growing as quickly. And by growing, I mean the inbox growing. The more you respond to people really quickly, the more you will get responses back, the bigger your inbox becomes. If you can slow that down and just respond once or twice a day, then it slows down the responses because you won't then be responding to the new response until the following day. Step 3, clear. So you've batched your emails, you've set aside time to go through them, you're now going to clear them. If you reach inbox 0, you will only ever have to process the emails that you have received on that day. So let's say you get 60 emails a day and you do 2 sessions of clearing them. You only have to ever process half a day's worth of emails. So if you get 60 a day, that's 30 emails for each session when you're processing them. And then to clear them, you need to use the 4 Ds: delete, do, delegate, or defer. Number 1, delete. So any junk mail, someone saying thank you, they can instantly be deleted. Second step is do. Lots of the emails we receive, we have to do something with. It might be a piece of work or it might be responding. And the rule here is if it's going to take 2 minutes or less, do it now. If it's going to take a bit longer, put that on your to-do list and then you can archive the email. So figure out what the action is, write it down somewhere else, archive the email so it's out of the inbox. The third D is delegate. So if you want someone else to action the email, forward it on with enough information so that they don't need to come back to you asking for any clarity. And you're then going to be waiting for that person to do it or to respond. What you can do in lots of email programs is snooze a sent email. So let's say you wanted to be reminded that that person was doing something in a week's time. You can snooze that email for a week and then it will come back in your inbox and remind you that you've asked that person to do something. And then defer is the final D. And as I said earlier, any emails that are going to take 2 minutes or longer, defer. Put them on your to-do list or in your calendar so you've got a block of time to actually action them because it's going to take longer than 2 minutes. Finally, E in our system of ABCDDDDE, empty. Your inbox is now empty and you can go away and concentrate on something far more useful. That's it guys, inbox zero. Good luck, enjoy.